charged up, but it's not, so I'll speak loud. Everything's vacuumed off and cleaned. I've masked the area on the headliner frame where there was no adhesive previously. I've put a masking paper there. I've masked with tape all the connections that are hanging out. I've overhung the material by that much, a little more than 4 inches is the recommendation. The best video I found said that you need to wrap it around, and while that's not what the factory did, it certainly makes sense to me that you do that little extra. So at this point, just unrolling, I have to pull the whole thing to get it completely on the cardboard. And then get my scissors, trying to keep everything on a shelf here that I need so I can find it. Go 4 inches beyond, and then cut. Plenty of material here to do sun visors, the rear brake light panel, and the sunroof. So which half am I going to start with? Idea is to fold back. This looks like the correct half. Idea is to fold back the headliner material idea is to turn it over so that the foam faces the headliner. It wasn't the way it was on the roll. Overhang, plenty of overhang. Center this up. So I guess we'll start just short of the sunroof. Temperature in here is about 60. Kept the cans in the house overnight so that they wouldn't be too cold. I'll put gloves on. I think I'll put gloves on for this. Clean gloves. So, the best instructional video that I found says do like a 4-inch to 5-inch section at a time. Trying to make sure that the only other time I've done this didn't turn out perfect. Would I like perfect? Oh yeah, of course I would. Alright, let the games begin. idea what that looks like yet. Work blind here. The other side. Work up here. once they say cut. Down the perimeter. Gone around and done the whole perimeter. Now I'm coming back to work on the sunroof. If I can get the masking tape off. I'm left-handed. Okay, let's move to that piece. All the masking has been removed. All right, not all the masking. One more piece here. The lights here are installed. I just held the cream color plate and then ran the light in from back. There's hooks here and then a snap up front, same on both sides. Then I have taped the grab bar pieces in place. Doors are open. On the side I'm going to slide it in, but I'll remove this bit of masking tape and then bring it on in. So glue is dried. I'm going to trim back the excess and then take off the masking paper and then put it in the car. So everything is put back in the finished product here. It's not perfect, but it's not hanging down in the faces of people, which is good. So I have those panels, I'm working on them. The parts of the panel that hold the clips in, the Christmas tree clips or whatever they're called, those were broken, and I've gotten the pieces kind of glued back on. I attempted with just super glue to install it and it failed. This panel here, the gasket that runs around the perimeter has lost its stickiness, so it's just taped on to hold it, but I'll replace that. I did not redo the sunroof, nor did I redo the sun visors. As you can see, that grab handle is hanging out. This one is loose, but for some reason, putting them back in, that screw did not want to go in. I don't remember if these appear to be okay. So I'll pop those covers back on. So I don't know what to do there. I tried a longer screw, tried a bigger screw. Nothing seemed to do it. All right, we'll take this cover back off and give it one more try.